Welcome to the DC Media Digital Signage Software Demo video. The DC Media Scheduler is a powerful application for managing content, designing layouts, and creating playlists. In this demo, I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to use the scheduler to create a digital signage display that includes video, a 7-day weather forecast, and scrolling news headlines. In the scheduler application, the left-hand side of the application window contains our multimedia files, also known as assets. For this demo, I'm going to add new video to the list of assets by dragging and dropping the relevant video files into the asset window. The scheduler will automatically parse these files and register them as assets. An alternative method for registering content is to right-click in the application window, select Insert Asset, click on the video icon, and then click Next to locate the video files on my local drive or server. We're going to need an asset that shows scrolling news headlines for our playlist. To add this asset, I'm going to click Insert Asset and click on Scrolling Ticker. At this point, I can manually provide the URL and logo. However, for this demo, I'm going to select a scroller from the list of templates already available in the DC Media Template Library. The last thing I need before we can create a playlist is the 7-day weather forecast. The weather forecast needs to be dynamic and therefore cannot be a static file. DC Media has a proprietary file format that provides live data integration with images, and we're going to use this file format for our weather content. As with the scroller, I'm going to select an existing 7-day forecast from the list of templates. Now that I have our content ready, I'll create a playlist that can be used to display the content on a digital signage display. The center window pane is the playlist management window. To create a new playlist, I'll right-click and select Insert Playlist. I'm going to type Demo as the new playlist name and then select a display resolution of 1366 by 768. You will notice that the right window pane is updated to show the structure of our new playlist. Currently, this playlist is defined as having a single full screen layer. I can change this to include the scrolling news headlines by clicking on the Designer button. In order to display the scrolling news below the video, I will need to add and size a new layer. Once I have added the layer, I can save the changes and close the playlist designer. You will notice that I now have 2 layers in the playlist structure. To add the weather forecast and video assets to my playlist, I'm going to select the assets and then drag them into the relevant playlist layer. To add the news headlines, I'm going to select the second layer and then drag the asset into the playlist. I can now preview the playlist by clicking on the Preview Toolbar button. If I'm happy with this playlist, I can go ahead and distribute it to my digital signage players by clicking on the Distribute Toolbar button. A window will be displayed showing my digital signage player network. To upload my playlist to one or more players, I select the playlist, drag it onto the target players, and then click Upload. Thanks for watching, and be sure to visit our website for more information and to sign up for a free 15-day trial.